Hi, guys, we're in the studios of Mughana Lonene FM. No, I was Connie. She's doing the breakfast show, no DJ Bry.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
And then mina ni lava uri undonzise kupulapula Xitsonga.
Okay.
Ah la la.
Swivula swa ku swivutiso swa wena u ta ni vutisa hi Xitsonga. But u ni vutisa hi Xitsonga.
Yeah.
U ta dyondza so.
Das Butter. I'll ask them in English and it's in the
Galra de fau. Wallah.
Amen.
Okay.
Who is the most famous Tonga person?
Dr. Thomas Chauke.
And who's the most famous Ndebele person you know?
Gog Esther. Masha.
Into abangakhuluma ngayo ngami kukhamba amazwe kugwala kubamba isikhethu isiNdebele baza ngikhumbula ngalokho ngoba mina khenge ngisilahle isiNdebele.
Who is the captain of the Springboks?
Siyakolis.
Yes.
Which radio station did you grow up listening to?
Mughana Lonene FM.
Can you give me three of
Radio Tsonga.
Can you give me three of your all-time favorites Mughana Lonene FM DJs?
Roy Ngoben.
Yeah.
One of them.
Yeah.
Magela Benze. Eddie Kosa. And of course, my husband. Joas Mashinze.
In which year did Mughana Lonene FM host their first Tonga Music Awards?
We were on the 19th one, and there were years we did not host it. Somewhere around 2000 and what there? 2001, 2002. I can't remember. 2001, 2002. Yeah.
What does SABC stand for?
South African Broadcasting Corporation. Final answer.
Next. Hey.
And how much is the subscription fee for the SABC Plus app?
Anti fee. I've never paid the fee. It's free. There's no fee there.
What animal is on a 20 rand note?
But I rarely hold that note because it's the most tired note of all the notes in South Africa.
Yeah, boy.
Okay, let's remember a rhino is on a 10 rands and elephant on 10 rands.
And can you name the big five animals?
Oh, rhino, elephant, lion, buffalo. And a buffalo is like 100 rand. The 200 rand, I think it's a leopard. Yeah.
We are cruising nicely.
Which has more bones on the neck between giraffes and human beings?
If you ask me that, probably it's a human being.
Wow. Back to Limpopo.
Can you spell hippopotamus?
H-I.
Yeah.
P-P-O P-P-O-T-A-M-U-S.
Okay. And how many senses does a human being have?
5 original ones.
Can you name them?
Smell, sight, hearing, touch. What's the final one? Sight, smell, touch, hearing. I forgot the fifth one.
Okay, what's the opposite of the word up?
Down,
Left?
right.
Sorry?
Gotcha. Gotcha.
Sorry. Please.
Sorry. Oh, sorry.
What's heavier between 10 kg of rocks and the 10 kg of feathers?
They're both 10 kg.
If a flight takes 1 hour 30 minutes to go to Cape Town, but when it comes back it takes only 90 minutes. Why is that?
Because the distance is the same. The time is the same.
How many countries do we have in Africa?
50 man, 2, somewhere there.
Who is the Minister of Basic Education in South Africa?
That woman with big hair. The pronunciation of her surname, yes, Mara, she always challenges me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Which year did South Africa host the FIFA World Cup?
Oh, you see now you're asking genuine questions.
Yeah.
2010.
This is business.
In the Bible, who betrayed Jesus Christ?
Judas Iscariot.
Definitely, I'm here to enjoy your life.
What language do blind people speak?
Sign. Sign language.
Oh, Aibo. Ah. Oh. Eh.
Really? Sign. Like you're not talking about typing, writing, speed. Sign language. The 12th language, official language in South Africa.
Your Jesus, God me, help me.
Blind people speak sign language.
Of course, they do.
Jesus is Lord.
Can you try to complete this sentence? Bukanya.
Oh, and you guys say it so nicely, man. But I forgot. But please say it. I just love the sound of it. I know I did not pass.
Yeah.
Yeah, just say it.
Bukanya pa.
Oh, listen to that. Nice.
Oh my God!
Okay, can you complete this one? Makomba.
Lela.
Thank you.
yakhalamo Sun City ngokubambisana neKwekwezi FM lapho kuzwakala khona ukuphila kwemidumo yeAfrika namasiko avangileko kungomgqibelo mhla ka-28 kuFukweni 2025 ukusukela ngesimbi yesibili ngemva kwamadina eSun City Super Bowl uyokuthathiswa ngumthandeni SK Sjava Ringo Mahlengozi King Monada Casper Nyovest Dr. Nothembi Mkhwebane Ntatestana uKatasi noMaqhinga sifumanele itikiti lakho eTicket Pro neentolo zonke zespa ukutoma ku-350 itikiti leli likufaka neSun City Resort